The month of September. This is the last raining. One of these days, we have a raining again. You see, I will show you our surroundings on the houses and all here for the soil and our neighbors. It's raining. It's huge of raining. You see the sky? The sky, and we have some clouds. I will share with you all here because right now we are living here in USA, New Mexico as of now, because we are not going home to Poland because of our pandemic. The pandemic, it is so very difficult right now. It's so very hard to travel. So as of now we stay here. So I just share for you all the views here. So many surroundings, houses, fields. You see, they have sun. Even they have sun and they have some raining also. It's amazing. It's amazing. You see the sky. The sky. Oh, the sky is different. It's, yeah, it's raining. Now, you see our plant here is very happy. They are very happy, the plant. We have some roses. We don't need to put some water because we have some raining. They're very happy. I'm very happy the plant is, but we are starting, all the plant is starting as dry to become yellow, to become red because of the winter coming. In the summer, they're very happy the plants to become color green. You see? Now these different trees, it's a different trees of color green, red. It's very awesome. Very awesome, the sky. Here the sky. Okay, bye bye.